The Department of Conservation looks after the protection of all the natural heritage of New Zealand. We've got a pretty large responsibility to ensure that New Zealand's biodiversity is protected, but also to ensure that the public have access to those places. IT is an essential part of the department's infrastructure, and it forms the foundations of what we have to do. In my area of work, managing assets is all about managing the data that's associated with them. We've got approximately 15,000 inspections to do every year, and we have around about 100,000 work orders that we manage each year through plant maintenance. Inside our current SAP landscape, we've implemented the finance management module, the fixed asset management module, the plant management module, and we've just finished implementing Work Manager. SAP Work Manager is our in-field data collection tool. I've got approximately 350 rangers who are using that to manage their work orders, and 25 inspection staff who are also using Work Manager to manage all of the inspections of these assets. It really is changing the lives of these rangers. It's removing the frustration of data management that we had before. Data transfers were taking too long, and so they didn't actually like using it in the field. Their job is to manage assets to ensure that visitors are safe out there and that they have a good time. They can focus on that and keeping themselves safe, because these places are dangerous places to work. SAP Work Manager is enabling me to get the data that I need to provide strategic advice and to ensure that when we're reporting back to Parliament we have correct and accurate information.
SAP Work Manager helps us be more effective by reducing the downtime and the delays in transmitting data, and gives us a platform to make sure that other people know what's required out on this island. Transmitting the information takes 5 to 10 minutes, often less than a minute if it's not a lot of data there, much faster than the hours it used to take.
SAP services were part of the implementation team and the design and architecture team, and that was pretty important because that SAP Work Manager specialist was able to introduce us to a lot wider functionality inside the system. Definitely it helped us implement right the first time. Our mission is really around making New Zealand the greatest living space on earth, and that is pretty inspiring for most of us who work here.
I see SAP contributing to the Department of Conservation and providing programs and services to allow us to continue to be in a position to offer that to people.
We've been working with SAP since 2003, and so they are definitely a partner in our conservation mission. I'm Mike Edgington. I'm the Manager for Recreation and Historic in the Department of Conservation, and I run SAP.